Hello there mga momsies! Welcome back on my channel. For today's video, we will be doing a product review and first impression review on these products from Vice Cosmetics. These are their 4D collection and I got a few of them. We have their Fresh Start Hydrating Primer. Ito. And also they have the liquid illuminator and the sheer fix powder. Okay, so iisa-isahin natin ito mga momsies, and I'm so excited to do this because I haven't vlog or matagal na ako hindi nakapag product review ng mga beauty products. So, but before anything else, mga momsies, make sure that you have subscribed on my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my new uploads every week. Okay, so first and foremost, we will be trying the hydrating primer. Hindi ako ma-primer mga momsies, no, but I'm really intrigued about this and we'll see later on as we try and apply it. And also itong illuminator. Excited ako dito kung how it will work on my skin, on my face. So, ayan. And also this one. Ito. And I like it. I like how the products, yung packaging nila and everything. So, wag na natin itong patagalin mga momsies. Let's get into the product review. Okay, so first thing that we're going to use mga momsies is itong Fresh Start Hydrating Primer. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. And I really love those products na very travel friendly. And meron siyang maliit na parang spatula. Okay. Ooh, yan. Wala siyang masyadong scent. Siguro yung amoy ko lang is yung amoy ng container. Dito natin kunin. Kasi sayang yung product na nandyan, di ba? So, yan. And I heard na this primer serves as a moisturizer na din at the same time. And yes, totoo. Parang maganda siyang moisturizer on your skin. Ayan. Meron siyang lagkit feeling, pero hindi naman siya yung bothering masyado na, alam mo yon parang very sticky. Maybe you just have to let it set for a while before applying the next product. Maganda siyang primer, maganda din siyang moisturizer at the same time mga momsies. I like it. And maganda din na wala siyang scent kasi I'm very particular sa mga products na may scent, especially yung mga strong ones. It triggers my migraine kasi. So this one is wala. So nice one. Okay, let's move on to the next product which is itong illuminator. Okay, this is the Overglow Liquid Illuminator and I got the shade Ambient. This is a 20 ml product mga momsies. And actually, hindi ako gumagamit ng mga illuminator. This is my first time using one. Okay. And naiintriga talaga ako kasi gusto natin yung mga glowy-glowy effects, something, diba? So, okay. Ganyan siya. Wala siyang kulay. So, let's apply on this side muna. Okay. And I'm gonna be using my finger to blend and apply the product. Nako, momsies, I rarely use brushes or sponges when applying product. Usually, kamay lang talaga ako kasi, you know naman, momsy, palaging on the go. Ayoko na masyadong mag-iinarte, di ba? Basta maayos lang siya. And, yeah, eto na. What do you think, mga momsies? Ito yung merong illuminator, ito yung wala. May nakikita ba kayong difference? Parang wala akong nakikitang, I don't know, difference sa ngayon. I-apply na natin the rest of my face, yung product na kinuha natin. So, finger ulit. But again, mga momsies, make sure that your fingers are clean before applying your makeup. Okay? Hygiene pa rin yan. Okay, sa ngayon nakikita ko yung skin ko para siyang, alam mo yung alagang-alaga, na parang gusto ko na lang matulog. Ganun yung feeling niya, parang it feels so fresh, it feels so light, and it feels so social. Ganon yung feeling mga momsies. Ang ganda lang, okay? So next nito, mag-a-apply tayo nitong Sheer Fix Bake Complexion Powder. But siguro before natin gamitin yan, mag-a-apply lang ako ng concealer mga momsies. I will just get the rest of my makeup para dire-diretso na tayo, okay? Okay, ayan, nakapag-apply na tayo ng concealer. And gagamitin natin ito to set our concealer and everything. Wala pala siyang kasamang puff or applicator. So, this is how it looks like. May mirror na din siya. But, alam mo yon, it's very sleek. So, kasyang-kasya sa purse nyo. Kasyang-kasya sa bag nyo when you're going to bring this one, mga mamsies. So, I got the shade light, medium, warm. Quick swatch lang tayo, mga mamsies. Ewan ko lang kung makikita nyo siya. Literal, it's very sheer. Ayan. Apply na lang natin. Okay? I was expecting may kasama itong applicator. Okay. May difference ba tayong nakikita? Parang wala. While applying the product, mga ma'ams, pansin ko very lightweight siya. Which is again, yun yung gusto ko kasi the makeup that I'm trying to achieve right now is for a day-to-day kind of makeup. Hindi ito yung mga pang-event or whatsoever kasi wala naman tayong events na pupuntahan, mga mamsies. Our routine is very simple. Susundo lang tayo ng mga kids sa school. Sometimes at the side, mayroon tayong mga errands. Diba? So, ganun lang. Okay. And gusto lang din natin kahit paano maging presentable tayo. And for me kasi, using makeup or applying makeup, pag lalabas ako, is like it adds like color on my day and also parang feel ko maganda ako kapag naka-makeup, di ba? Kahit blush lang yan or a little lip gloss or a little lip balm, basta may kulay lang konti yung face mo din, okay na, di ba? Ganun lang yun. Okay. So, yeah, this is how my face looks like after applying the Sheer Fix Bake Complexion Powder. I will just finish the rest of my makeup, mga mamsies, then I'll get back to you. Alright, so this is our final look na mga momsies. Very simple lang yung ating makeup. As I've said earlier, usually this is how my day-to-day na makeup pag susundo sa mga kiddos sa school and kung may mga basic errands tayo or kahit mga simple na mga lakad tayo. At least somehow, no, parang fresh lang yung peg na natin. Okay, so isa-isahin natin yung mga products na ginamit natin for this video, mga mamsies. So again, itong kanilang Fresh Start Hydrating Primer. Ito, parang bet na bet ko talaga siya. Hindi parang, but bet na bet ko siya. Because dalawa yung kanyang purpose. Hindi lang siya primer, but also it's a moisturizer and it really feels so good in the skin. And it feels really moisturizing. So, gusto ko to. If ever I'm gonna buy this one, I will really buy this. Okay? Moving on to the next product is itong kanilang liquid illuminator. Ito. Okay? May dalawang shade ito. I forgot the other one, but ito yung kinuha ko because ito din kasi yung nirecommend sa akin when I bought this online. Parang hindi ako masyadong convinced yung kanyang pagiging illuminator. I don't know. Maybe the next time that I'm gonna be using it, we'll see kung may changes on how it performs. But so far sa ngayon kasi, di ba when you say illuminator, somehow I was expecting na parang may glow or something, or parang may glitter or something na naibibigay. Pero hindi ko siya nakikita. I don't know. Hindi ko sinet pala itong makeup ko today, mga mamsies, because I really want to see how these products looks on my face, on my skin. Kung lalabas ba lalo na tong illuminator na to, kung lalabas ba siya dito sa ating But I don't know. parang may nakikita ang glow naman ako dito sa ating cheeks. So I'm not sure if that's the one working on right now, but still, I'm gonna be using it. I read here on the packaging na you can actually mix this one also on your base. Maybe I will try that next time. We'll see how it works if i-mix natin siya sa ating base, like sa ating liquid foundation. Okay, then we'll see about that, or yeah. Okay. Next is itong kanilang Sheer Fix Bake Complexion Powder. I don't know if I bought the right product. Usually kasi yung ginagamit ko is a compact pressed powder already, or para siyang foundation in a way. Yun yung ginagamit ko to set my makeup. I don't really use yung loose kasi ayoko yung makalat pag I'm using a loose powder. So talagang compact yung ginagamit ko to set my concealer, my base, and everything before doing my eyeshadow and my blush. Dito also, I'm not really sure how this is, but definitely gagamitin ko pa din siya kasi sayang din naman ano. And yun lang yung masasabi ko. I was thinking na may kasama siyang applicator, like maybe a very simple or a very yung manipis lang na puff or something, at least 'di ba pag gagamitin mo to complete package na, kumbaga you don't need to like bring a brush with you or another sponge with you when you are bringing this o mga day-to-day lakad. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Sana may kasama siyang may kasama siyang puff or anything na ay alam mo yon, when you gonna grab it, apply mo na diretso using that applicator. But for this one, mm, magdadala pa ako ng extra makeup tool para magamit ko siya. Alright, so there you go mga momsies. Those are just my thoughts on these products mga momsies. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this already, and let me see kung how it works on you. What are your thoughts also? So yeah, thank you so much for reaching this far on my vlog mga momsies. I hope that you have learned something. And let me know also what other beauty products or mga beauty brands that you want me to try on my channel. I would really appreciate if you can suggest. So don't forget to like this video mga momsies, and again comment your thoughts or anything about this vlog, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you on my next one. Godspeed.